Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Kefilwe Moroane. My company name is Adam Rocks. We're based in Kagiso, extension 14. We distill gin. What motivated me to start the business was the marriage I was in. It was due to alcohol and my grandfather being sick. So he used to numb his pain with a certain brand. So I decided to go into the business, and being my father being a cooker, and hence the name as Adam is my father, Rocks is my grandfather. So it's a drink of the forefathers. Currently we have 3 gins. As you can see, the mulberry one, the cannabis one, and the orange. So we're actually using the botanical and indigenous plants, and also we've got a vodka which it's not here, and we also have the premix, which is a gin and tonic premix. This is the brand. Adam Rocks, it's more of it's a drink that brings people together, you know, being a cooker, and also when we are together we celebrate. So we also, it's drinks that offer health benefits in terms of the mulberries. They have antioxidants, so they keep you younger, and the cannabis, which has medical effects. So those are the indigenous plants that, and orange as well. You know, we grew up stealing those oranges in the tree. So yeah. Yes, our product is available nationwide. We even go as far as the current market at Botswana. We also have customers in Botswana, and we've got an export license, and yeah, we Korea. So, and the bottle is about $2.99. You can contact me at 060-972-2370. That's our WhatsApp number. And our TikTok, also via TikTok or Facebook, and we don't have a Twitter, but Instagram, it's Adam Rocks XK. That's the Facebook, that's the Instagram, and then the TikTok one, you say Adam_Rocks3. And then also on our website, you can order www.adamrocksk.co.za. Hi, my name is Kefilwe, and I'm a Township